How to use Google Assistant without saying "Hey Google." Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to use Google Assistant without voice wake words, you can still activate it quickly using bottom gestures or shortcuts. Here are the easiest way and the most reliable ways on Android. You can use the power button, which is the most common. For that, you want to go over to settings, and from the settings menu, you need to find your system or navigation advanced features. Tap on it. From there, you want to go ahead and select the option for side key or power button, side button, and then you can select long press menu. It brings out your power off menu, but you can also select press and hold to bring out Google Assistant. The next one is via gesture navigation. For that, go to display, scroll down and find navigation bar, tap on it, and make sure you toggle this on the Assistant app. So you can swipe inwards from one of the bottom corners to open your digital assistant. I've currently selected Gemini as my digital assistant, so if I just swipe right here, it's gonna bring out Gemini.
I'm not quite sure what.
So you can easily change it to Google Assistant if you want as well. And you can use Google Assistant app icon from the app drawer as well. You can add Google Assistant's app drawer on your app list. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.